Thursday, January 2nd, 2025. Saints Basil and Gregory the Nazarene. Focus, who are you? A certain quote was posted in a WhatsApp group. Someone objected, saying it was not by the presumed author. Therefore, the discussion meandered around this point. The beauty of the quote was forgotten. The Pharisees sent priests and Levites, an inquiry team, 300 kilometers from Jerusalem, wanting only to know by whose authority John was baptizing. They ignored what he was achieving. John the Baptist's father, Zechariah, was a priest, so John had the right to perform the Levitical rituals of cleansing rather than pursuing the priestly occasion. John went into the desert, preparing himself for a very different mission. Instead of cleaning the temple utensils, he exhorted the people to repent and believe the good news, and so be spiritually cleansed. So, who was John really? John, like Jesus, was a boundary breaker. He had a one-point agenda: make straight the way of the Lord. He worked for transformation rather than the perpetuation of outmoded practices. Do we not love boundaries? Our vision set gets clouded by the personality or persuasion of people. Yes, great work, but she is a Protestant, or careful, he is a Hindu, or gay, or divorced. And so, we fail to recognize and value the good work. Society is multi-dimensional. There are many ways to be God's children and abide in Him. Fruit, let me appreciate the goodness in people instead of focusing on who or what I feel they are.